Hello friends, myself Professor R. A. Chadekar. I am teaching subject Artificial Intelligence for the class third year computer engineering students. I am working as an assistant professor and head of computer science and engineering department in Sri Tulja Bhavani College of Engineering, Tuljapur. This college is run by Sri Tulja Bhavani Mandir Temple Trust, and this is our admission scholarship for this year, academic year 2020-21. If these 12 students getting the CET total percentile between 30 to 40, they will get the 25% scholarship. If they get the CET score 40.1 to 50, they will get the scholarship 50%. Then if they get the CET score 50.1 to 60, they get 75% scholarship. And if the CET score is more than 60, then the students will get 100% scholarship from our institute. Our institute is giving the scholarship irrespective of the scholarship uh, taking by the students from the governments. Today we'll see this bidirectional search strategy. Up till now we studied 5 strategies. This bidirectional search, the idea behind this bidirectional search is to run two simultaneous searches, one forward from the initial state and the other backward from the goal. Just see this diagram. In this case, this is forward search and this is backward search. Forward search means what? We starts from the start nodes and searching in all the directions, and backward search means what? You starts from the goal nodes and then searching in all the directions. Starts from the goal node and searching in all the nodes until you meet the start nodes. And in bidirectional searching, you can start from the start nodes in all the directions, okay, and also you can start from the backward goal state and you can starts in all the directions. This is forward direction searching, this is backward direction searching, and at one point we meet, or the middle point where we meet the both this backward direction searching and forward direction searchings. And here the motivation behind this, that what? B to the power d by 2 plus b to the power d by 2 is much less than the b to the power d. In forward direction as well as backward direction, the time complexity is what? B to the power d, and here we get the time complexity b to the power d by 2 plus b to the power d by 2, which is much less than this time complexity of forward direction searching as well as backward direction searchings. The area also, here the area of two small circles is less than the area of one big circle centered on the start and reaching to the goal. Here the bidirectional search is implemented by replacing the goal test with a check to see whether the frontier of the two searches intersect. If they do, a solution has been found. Both this forward direction searching and backward direction searching both are given here. And just we'll see the one of the example. If a problem has solution depth d equal to 6, if suppose we do the forward searching and backward searching and we are getting the solutions at depth d equal to 6, means what? If you start the forward direction searching, means what? You start from this, okay, from the start nodes, and you will get the goal at the depth d equal to 6. And also in backward directions, if you start from the goal nodes and go on searching towards the starts nodes, then at after depth d you will get the solutions. But in this bidirectional searching, if the depth is 6, each direction, forward direction and backward direction, runs breadth first search one node at a time. Then in the worst case, both these searches, forward direction and backward direction, meet when they have generated all of the nodes at depth 3. For b equal to 10, this means a total of 2220 nodes are generated, as compared to 11,11,110 for a standard breadth-first search. Thus, the time complexity of the bidirectional search using these breadth-first searches in both the direction is very less, that is b to the power d by 2. Also, the space complexity is also less, that is b to the power d by 2. For this breadth-first search, the space complexity and time complexity is what? B to the power d. But in this bidirectional searching, the time complexity is b to the power d by 2 and space complexity is b to the power d by 2. That is half of the breadth-first search. And this space requirement is the most significant weakness of the bidirectional search, because at least one of the frontiers must be kept in memory so that the intersection chain can be done. Means what? Here the disadvantage what? The space requirement. This is comparison of all these uninformed search strategies. We have 6 number of uninformed search strategies: breadth first, uniform cost, depth first, depth limited, iterative deepening, bidirectional, and all these are the characteristics you can compare. Is it complete? Means the completeness of all these techniques, the time complexity of all these techniques, space complexity of all this, and you have to check the particular strategy is optimal or not optimal. Thank you very much.